Elsewhere, Cookstove adoption in Kenya has jumped up by 78% in Kenya as it expands access to clean and climate-friendly cooking solutions. Energy Cabinet Secretary Opiyo Wandayi says clean cooking is now a critical pillar in Kenya's climate action and public health agenda. Annual sales from clean Cookstove have increased from 250,000 units in 2019 to more than 850,000 in the year 2024.
Uptake of clean cooking solution is surging, fueled by deliberate efforts to modernize the improved Cookstove market. According to the government, this progress stems from targeted investments, strategic partnerships, and initiatives designed to make clean cooking technologies more affordable and accessible nationwide.
We must reduce the household air pollution. We have already finalized the consumer and enterprise financing strategy for clean cooking solutions. We have already supported the establishment of interim clean cooking implementation unit, developed its terms of reference and harmonized its mandate with the Interministerial Committee on Clean Cooking.
We have been able to promote improved cookstoves, simple but powerful solution for reducing fuel use and pollution, saving time and money, creating youth jobs, and easing burdens on women and children. Locally made, scalable, and inclusive, the stoves have restored dignity to cooking.
In partnership with the German Development Corporation through the Green Climate Fund, the government has given pickups and 35 five-wheeler tuk-tuks valued at 68 million shillings to 42 improved Cookstove producers and distributors, which they say will enable beneficiaries to reach last-mile consumers.
And it has complemented the government's efforts to promote energy efficiency, reduce dependence on biomass, and accelerate the adoption of cleaner, more sustainable technologies.
So it will enable you to access the consumers, as was said earlier, to a much better rate, to really bridge also the last mile of the market, and to bring the new technology and the clean cooking solutions to the customers. And also, by the end of the day, help Kenya to meet its NDC climate mitigation goals.
The project, now active in 40 counties, has set up stove testing laboratories and trained more than 500 last-mile entrepreneurs and supported over 120 producers with professional clean stove kits.
We have even been trained how to do our markets and even how we can go on without when you are out of our way. Then when we are all alone in our own production and our sales, what we are going to do now, we are going to promote this business more than even before, because you have shown us the way.